Today I'm going to tell you how to build a truck tower. So it's building a tower on a truck. So we started with this. I used this for instructions. You could use any of these or these. So let's start by taking three of these. Oh, no. Start by taking one of this and then attach it right there. And then take three of the small, attach them long, and attach them like this. So yeah, obviously you have to start with this truck. You may not have it. Maybe you can ask your mom or dad. Never mind. So then you put another. So in each between we put three. And then I'm doing same color first, then different color, but you can do it however you like. It has to be keep three, but once we get to the top, it will be one. So if you hear a noise, it's maybe my brother scratching like this. I can't exactly make it. Can't make persons different than me. Yeah. There. We had three. Oh. There. Oh. Like this. And then now attaching three. Like it again. Oh, you see an eye. I couldn't find any other light, so I do this eye. Maybe not. Three eye. So can see. No, I want to go here. And one here. Look, four are matching. So that's what I have. So then keep doing three and three and three. Whoa! I just press it. This moves here and this falls. 5 matching. 6 matching. Uh-oh. No worries. I can go to that. Alright. Go. Go. If you don't have can't find any of these, you always use these. Probably use these at the top. And then this. Well, I'm using it here. Whoa. 6.5. Now it is 7.5. Look, 7.5. Now here it will look as if it's not the same. Oh, it's starting to get top. It's starting to get on the top. You might not see the top. That noise. Well, I don't know what it is, but because my dad or mom must be doing something. Well, my brother's in this room reading. It's 3. Whoa! It's taller than the screen. Well, it's not taller than you, of course. Oh man, I'm going to have to stand for this. But we're nearly using all of ours up. You can make this. Now I'm going to have to get this one. Oh, you may not be able to see me. Well, I don't know how to do it. But it's going to be tall. Start to bend. Now just normal. And then another. Well, instead of 3, I just had 1, and then one of this and one of this, and we're done. Whoa! Look, I finished. We finished. Whoa! This tower is tall. Whoa. Okay, so thank you for watching this video today. Please subscribe and hit the like. Oh, when I said I'm going to I'll be making them for making Legos for the rest of my life. Actually, no, because people don't understand at space. Some kids don't understand space in my age. I'm 7. I know all that. Must be the most special person in the house. My house. So getting back to it, hit the like, and I'll see you in the next video.